They say the lake monster comes out only on misty days, much like today. They say it follows unwary ships lost in the fog, much like Brian here.
Be brave, Brian. Be brave, Brian. Be brave, Brian.
They say it makes a sound the likes of which you've never heard, a sound that could chill your bones. A sound much like that one.
That's brilliant! Oh, I know. Let's go and catch the monster. Then Brian won't be scared anymore.
Oh, I told yous, I'm not scared.
Ha! That settles it then. We've got ourselves a little monster hunt.
What? Oh, great idea, Captain Gale. Bo and I will lure it this way.
We will?
And you and Brian can catch it. The noise came from over there.
Those be the sandy shallows. They say that any ship that sails there ends up with a sandy bottom.
They do? Wow, whoever they are, they say a lot of stuff. Let's go, buddy. Okay, buddy. If I was a lake monster, I think I'd live here. There's lots of great... What was that? Dunno. Bird? What was that? Dunno. Another bird? What's that? I don't know. Hello? Monster! Monster! Oh, I know. I'll try speaking monster language. I'm not sure that's a good idea, Mojo.
What's that noise?
That must be the monster.
It's got Mojo and Bo.
Hang on. Look. Over there.
It's the monster!
No, wait, Brian! It's only us! We better get after him.
Monster!
No, wait, Brian. Be brave. Be brave, Brian.
Monster!
Brian! Stop, Brian! Mojo, did that sign say waterfall?
Monster!
It's Mojo and Bo. Brian, hold, stop.
Mojo and Bo! Oh, I can't stop, Captain!
These waters be too strong.
Waterfall!
Prepare to drop anchor. Oh, you see, Brian, there's nothing to be scared of. Oh, dear.
Oh dear! Oh no! I'm too young to fly!
Oh, mighty beings from another world! What brings you to our humble planet?
We were just trying to fix the TV.
TV? Is that your home planet? This planet is called Earth.
Preston, what are you on about?
Quivering quasars! They know my name!
Yeah, hold on. We'll come down and get you.
They're coming for me! Take me!
Come on, Preston!
Take me! Ah!
Oh no, the sheep are out! We'll have to get them back. It's too dark, I can't see them. Don't worry, we can use my spotlight.
What are they doing?
Right then, sheep. Nice catch, Bo.
They've beamed up my sheep!
Quickly, Mojo, we want to catch the rest of them before they get lost in the dark.
And now they're going after the rest of them!
Take me with you! I want to go to space too!
Oh, it's coming to get us! Run, run!
Here I am!
Well done, Mojo. Oh, there's 3 more over there.
Get off my sheep! Quick! My last sheep!
Take me to your planet, please!
Okay, that's all the sheep. We can drop them off and put the satellite dish back.
Oh, my sheep! My poor, poor sheep!
I can't believe they wouldn't take me with them. I'm head of the astronomy club and the sci-fi club. But instead, those sheep get to go to space.
They're coming back!
Hang on, Mojo. That gate needs closing first. Okay, buddy, I'll lower you down.
It stopped.
I think something's happening. It's one of them! They're beaming down to Earth!
Whoa, sheep! What just happened?
Welcome to Earth! The alien!
Awesome! Give me back my sheep! Charge!
Alien!
Follow that alien!
Another alien!
Stop! Come here!
Ooh, a present. Who's it for?
It's for Dot's birthday. I need you to deliver a present to the party.
Oh, well, that sounds easy.
Well, it isn't. Every year she finds a present early and opens it.
Well, not this year. Helping you is what we do.
Just remember, no present until party time.
Got it. Nan, are you in there?
Here, hide the present. Quick.
Is my present in here?
Hello, dear.
We're just, whistling casually. Care to join us? What's that? Is there something in there? Is that my present? Ooh, ice cream.
later at the jetty. You'd better, swap that top.
We're gonna need to drive somewhere that Dot can't go. I know what you're thinking. Fire top. I wasn't thinking that. Oh, well then I know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it too. It's time to swap that top! Nan. With Mojo's monster top, we can go anywhere. There's no way Dot can keep up.
Don't be so sure. The party isn't until this afternoon. Until then, there's nowhere you can run. There's nowhere you can hide. She absolutely will not stop until she gets that present.
Presents! Mojo is go-go! Present!
Right, let's get this party ready.
Where can we go? Deep underground? High in the mountains? I hear the moon is nice this time of year. Not that far. She can't keep up with a monster top. She's riding a tricycle. Present! How fast is that thing? We'd better get a move on. No present till party time, Dot. That was close. I think we lost her. Ah! Present! I want my present! Ah! This way! Watch out! Bo, I can't see where I'm going! Open your eyes then. That's better. Nothing but the best for those beautiful apples. Mojo is go-go! Apples a pick, Jackson.
Wow, great job so far.
Thanks. Wait, what do you mean so far?
You didn't see?
Whoa!
Is that a lot of apples? I mean, it seems like a lot to me. But I haven't been a farmer for very long.
This might take a while.
Hang on, what's that noise?
I call him Drone Drony! I've just got him. On sale because he didn't come with instructions. I'm sure he can help pick those apples, Jackson.
Oh, that's brilliant, Preston. With that, plus Mojo and Bo, this job will be done in no time.
You ready, Mojo? Let's do this, Bo.
Don't forget Drony!
Oh, look out, Preston. You missed one.
Oh!
Well, Jackson, I guess you don't need help with your apples after all.
Yeah, bye!
Yeah, thanks, Mojo and Bo, but I think Drony's got this. See you later.
Bye-bye, Jackson. Bye-bye, Preston. Bo, something's happening.
How'd you stop it?
Oh, I don't know. It didn't come with instructions. I'll just press this button. Or this, maybe. Or maybe it's this button. See? Nothing to worry about. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Don't be scared, Felix!
This just became an emergency. We need an emergency top. It's hot swap time! Okay, well, let's loosen the handle. At least there's ice cream.
Oh, too much ice cream! It's a disaster! Everyone panic! Panic! Betty! Where are you going? Yikes! It's the ice cream! I can't stop! Betty, come back!
Come on, Mojo! Mojo is go-go! We're coming, Betty! We need to get rid of that ice cream so Betty can slow down. Wait, I have a plan. No, 2 plans. Wait, 3. I should write these down. I've got a plan too. What if Don't worry, my 3 plans are brilliant. Now, can you get me any closer? Well, my plan's pretty great, but okay. Okay, keep it steady. Ready? Steady! Mojo, eject! Brain freeze! Although, hang on. Quick, Mojo, catch! Hang on, Betty. I'm coming in. Yeah. Hey, Bo, what am I meant to do with these? Well, I'll stop Betty, and you serve the ice cream. Can we do my plan now? I really think it'll help. Smells like sunshine. Aha! I think I found the problem. Aha! That's enough ice cream for one day. Phew! Uh-oh.